that headlight?
Apparently this guy has crashed his car.
Apparently so.
And this tow man is slow as fuck at his job.
At least he's trying.
If he was smart, he would have flipped around the other way, so that way he couldn't have avoided traffic from going around his ass. He could have pulled it from the front up the truck, not from the back up the truck.
We're not allowed to turn right here, huh?
No, he's right there now.
No?
I mean, you could probably go around his ass once that big diesel moves. You mean?
Yeah. I'm gonna try it.
Well, this guy's gonna do it. And there we go, bro. And we avoided that shit. Fuck off, tow driver. Bleak!